Shopping and bargaining in English. Shopping is an essential part of our daily lives. Whether we are buying clothes, groceries, or electronics. Knowing how to communicate effectively in English can make the experience smoother and more enjoyable. This article will help you understand common shopping phrases, bargaining techniques, and tips to get the best deals. 1. Types of shopping. Shopping can be categorized into different types depending on what you are buying and where you are buying it from. A. Supermarkets and grocery stores. These stores sell food, beverages, and household products. When shopping in supermarkets, you may need to ask, where can I find fresh vegetables? Do you have organic products? Is there a special offer on this item? B. Clothing and fashion stores. Buying clothes requires specific vocabulary, such as, do you have this in a larger size? Is this material comfortable? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? C. Electronics and gadget stores. When purchasing electronics, consider asking, does this phone come with a warranty? Can I get a discount if I buy multiple items? What are the specifications of this laptop? D. Local markets and street vendors. Markets are great places to bargain. You can say, what's your best price for this? I saw a similar item at a lower price elsewhere. Can you give me a better deal if I buy two? 2. Common shopping phrases. Here are some useful English phrases for shopping. How much does this cost? To ask about the price. Do you have this in other colors? To explore options. Is this on sale? To check for discounts. Can I get a receipt, please? To request proof of purchase. Where is the fitting room? To try on clothes. What are your payment options? To ask about cash, card, or digital payments. 3. Bargaining strategies. Bargaining is an important skill, especially in local markets. Here's how you can negotiate prices effectively. A. Start with a lower offer. Begin with a lower price than what you are willing to pay. For example, this seems a bit expensive. Can you lower the price? Would you accept $10 instead of $15? B. Be friendly and polite. Building rapport with the seller can help you get better deals. Use phrases like, I love your shop. Can you offer me a special price? I want to buy more. Can you give me a bulk discount? C. Use the walk away strategy. If the seller refuses to lower the price, start walking away. Often, they will call you back with a better deal. D. Compare prices. Before making a purchase, visit multiple stores and compare prices. You can say, I saw this for a lower price at another shop. Can you match their price or offer something better? 4. Online shopping. Shopping online has become very popular. Here are some useful phrases for online shopping. Does this website offer free shipping? What is the return policy? How long will delivery take? Can I track my order? Is this product authentic? Tips for safe online shopping. Always check product reviews before buying. Use secure payment methods. Beware of too good to be true deals. Read the return policy carefully. 5. Shopping etiquette. Different cultures have different shopping etiquettes. Here are some general tips. Be patient. Don't rush the seller. Respect prices. Some stores have fixed prices, while others allow bargaining. Be courteous. Saying, please, and thank you, goes a long way. Understand return policies. Some stores don't allow refunds or exchanges. 6. Conclusion. Shopping and bargaining in English can be a fun and rewarding experience if you know the right phrases and strategies. Whether you are buying groceries, clothes, or electronics, being confident and polite will help you get the best deals. Happy shopping! Mastering shopping and bargaining in English. Shopping is an integral part of modern life. whether it's for daily essentials, clothing, electronics, or luxury items. Knowing how to communicate effectively while shopping can make the process easier and help you get better deals. This comprehensive guide will cover different shopping environments, useful English phrases, negotiation strategies, and tips for getting the best shopping experience. 1. Different types of shopping. Shopping varies based on what and where you are buying. Here are some common shopping types. A. Retail shopping. Retail stores offer a wide variety of products, including clothes, home goods, and gadgets. Key phrases include, "Can I see this in a different size? Do you have any special offers on this item? Where is the billing counter?" B. Market shopping. Local markets are great places for fresh produce, handmade goods, and souvenirs. Phrases to use. What is the price per kilogram? Can you give me a wholesale price? Is there a discount if I buy more than one? C. Online shopping. E-commerce has made shopping more convenient than ever. Key questions to ask. Does this item have a warranty? How long does delivery take? Can I return this if I don't like it? 2. Essential English phrases for shopping. Having the right words can make your shopping experience smoother. Here are some commonly used phrases. Asking about price. How much is this? Is this on sale? Checking availability. Do you have this in stock? Can I pre-order this? Inquiring about payment. What payment methods do you accept? Do you take cash or credit card? Asking for assistance. Can you help me find this item? I'm looking for something in blue. 3. The art of bargaining. Bargaining is a skill that can help you save money, especially in open markets and street shops. Here are effective bargaining techniques. A. Start with a low offer. Begin negotiations with a lower price than you expect to pay. That seems a bit expensive. Can you lower the price? I saw this for a lower price elsewhere. B. Show hesitation. Sometimes appearing unsure makes sellers more likely to offer discounts. I like it, but it's slightly out of my budget. I'm not sure if it's worth this price. C. Be willing to walk away. If the price isn't right, politely thank the seller and walk away. Many sellers will call you back with a better offer. I'll think about it and come back later. I was hoping for a better deal. Maybe I'll check other stores. D. Buy in bulk. Buying multiple items often gets you a discount. If I take 3, can you give me a better price? Can I get a wholesale price for a larger quantity? 4. Tips for a successful shopping experience. A. Know the local culture. Shopping customs vary by country. Some cultures expect bargaining, while others have fixed prices. Research before shopping in a new place. B. Compare prices before buying. Always check different stores or websites to ensure you're getting the best price. C. Check return policies. Before purchasing, ask, what is your return policy? Do I need the original receipt to return this? D. Be friendly and respectful. Sellers are more likely to offer discounts if you are polite and engage in friendly conversation. E. Use digital payment for security. Many stores offer digital payment options, which are safer than carrying large amounts of cash. 5. Online shopping versus in-store shopping. Advantages of online shopping. Convenience of shopping from home. Wider variety of products. Access to customer reviews. Advantages of in-store shopping. Ability to physically examine products. Immediate purchases without waiting for delivery. Better opportunities for bargaining. Tips for safe online shopping. Buy only from trusted websites. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true. Use secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards. 6. Dealing with salespeople. Salespeople may try to convince you to buy products. Here's how to handle different situations. A. If you're not interested, thank you, but I'm just looking. I appreciate your help, but I'm not buying today. B. If you need more information, can you tell me more about this product? Is this item returnable if it doesn't work for me? C. If you want to delay the purchase, I need to think about it. I'll come back later. Can you hold this item for me for a few hours? 7. Luxury shopping and high-end stores. Luxury stores often have different shopping experiences, with personal shopping assistants and premium services. If you're shopping in such stores, do you offer personal styling services? Is this a limited edition item? Can I customize this product? Many high-end brands do not allow bargaining, but you can ask for complimentary services, such as free alterations or accessories. 8. Seasonal sales and discount events. Many stores offer discounts during Black Friday, USA, Boxing Day, UK, Canada, Australia, end-of-season sales, holiday promotions. To take advantage of these sales, sign up for store newsletters. Shop early to get the best deals before items run out. Use discount codes and loyalty points. 9. Conclusion. Shopping is more than just purchasing products. It's about finding the best deals, making informed choices, and enjoying the experience. Whether you're bargaining in a local market or shopping online, having the right English phrases and strategies will ensure a successful and satisfying shopping experience. Happy shopping, and may you always find the best deals. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.